Hey guys, welcome back to the lab. We're here for some exclusive content. We're doing an emergency episode today. Today joined by my good friend Phil Hauser. Phil, how are you, sir?
I'm doing well. Yourself?
Good. I'm glad because this is a long time coming for this project. We're able to finally talk about it. My business partner leaked it for his birthday, so I couldn't be that mad about him doing that. But yeah, we're here. So this has been a logo that I saw a few years ago. I feel like it ended up not being selected, and everything happens for a reason because we're able to circle back and use it. But tell me a little bit about this logo of yours.
The idea came to me. I was listening to the Police. There's a song called "Canary in a Coal Mine," and it just kind of sparked this concept. And so I thought, you know what? Let me do it. And I thought that the coffin up the music note was cool. Original name was Coffin Canaries, but I spelt it like coffin, like like a casket. It went up for crits, and they changed it to coughing, like as in having a cold cough.
Yeah.
It did not make crits, and I was like, oh man, and but here it is, a couple of years down the road, and it's finally seen the light of day.
Yeah, this was one of the original pieces for me that got me to kind of pay attention to your art. I think back to Always of Summer for sure. This one is just like, for me, what makes this logo cool is, number one, he's got so much personality. Number two, I love like the little smoke with the musical note, and then just how it fits the hat. So I was so excited to be able to take this and to bring it to life. And we did something that isn't normal for us at the Capologists, because we used a lot of different materials and just try to play off the kind of the theme of the hook. And we're very blessed and have a great partner with New Era, so we're able to kind of take it and elevate it in our own way and try to make it a little bit different than just like your regular run-of-the-mill black gray hat. So you've kind of seen some leaked images online.
Yes, I have.
And some videos, but you haven't opened your package yet. So I guess
got it right here.
Everyone likes to watch people unbox stuff, so let's get your life.
I don't know how to do it so that you can see it, but I'll do my best here.
Yeah.
Watch me cut myself now. Okay, right off the bat. Let me pull it out here. I got two. It's like it almost feels like a suede.
Yeah, so we went with a suede material. We kind of reversed your hat. So instead of making it like a black and gray two-tone.
Sorry, I was staring at it.
Yeah, we went with a black front suede, and then the back gray is suede as well. So I wanted it to kind of feel kind of like dusty almost. Like
it does.
Out of the coal mine, but still feel premium. The sticker normally would be on the top of the visor, but because of the material, they put it at the bottom. So
okay, yeah, I just realized that.
Yeah, so definitely have never released a suede hat before, but yeah.
Oh, really?
Never in my life. Never had a reason to until I met you, sir. But yeah, I think it came out great, man.
It's very clean.
It feels
lots of silvers in there.
Yeah, like the metallics, and we made the outline super raised, super thick, canary yellow.
I don't know where the camera is there.
Yeah, canary yellow on the fill. He's got like a raised aspects a little bit on the note. It's just a really cool slick hat, man.
Yeah, it actually looks really good. I like the two tone when it's reversed. As far as like this, where it's almost pinwheel like, but
Hmm.
it's like it almost has a trucker hat kind of feel to it. If that makes sense, what I'm saying.
Yeah, then they have like this almost like leathery material inside to make it feel extra smooth. Get a feel of that.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, it's just a slick hat, and I can't wait for people to get their hands on this thing.
very nice.
Yeah, and obviously, Capologist branding at the back with the two beakers. Um, yeah, just a really fun hat to put together, man. I like it. I've never made anything like this, Phil.
No, this is really cool. Hold on, I'm gonna break all the rules and bend it by hand.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
It feels premium, right?
It feels nice actually. It's so soft.
Yeah. I just thought that, like, having a connection with you, I think, like, just having the ability to play with more different materials in the New Era catalog, and being able to do
I,
something like this, I thought, why not, man? Why not take a swing for it? I think it came out great.
it's
Um,
I like it. I
this
know
was both.
Style and I tried to do a couple. We did, Buck Off, and we wanted to kind of do it like a whole bunch of different, just
Fabrics.
alternative material,
Yeah.
and try to do different things. One of the things that the hat that just closed, um, what do you call it? Hooch Hustlers was supposed to be. I was hoping it would be duck canvas like Carhartt. That didn't happen, but maybe in the future with a shop drop or a new colorway, fresh colorway would be cool. But this is. I'm gonna see about maybe getting another one done like this because this is something else.
It's different, right?
I've never seen anything like this before.
I'm happy, man. I'm happy you're
It's super
happy.
soft.
Yeah. And then, like, just this was supposed to, like, kind of like be like that rock in the quarry. And
It
yeah.
reminds it reminds me. My grandmother used to have a couch that was similar to this, and we'd write dirty words in it. And we weren't the best of kids, and then walk away or try to erase it real quick with our hand.
Right. But this is a great hat. So this one is dropping alongside our full body samurai. So not many people have seen this hat design. So I'm going to talk a little bit about this one.
Yeah, please.
Um, the one of the great baseball players on earth, to Dodger Blue. So uh, we did it. We did it with
Oh, this is for Shohei.
essentially. The
Well,
resemblance is coincidental. So samurai playing baseball, full body. Capologist branding at the back, grander, black button, black visor, Dodger blue, and all the metallics.
Los Doyers. Hell yeah.
Players. So these hats both available later today, 3 p.m. on thecapologist.com. Get the fill one. If that one's not your speed, get the samurai or get both, because I think these are both really cool and awesome hats. But yeah, man, thank you.
Thank you.
So much for being flexible, and I knew that when I saw this logo that it had to be done, and we handled it with a little bit more care to make sure that we handled it right. And yeah, I'm really happy with the outcome.
I really love this hat. Thank you. Yeah, it looks really good.
No
I got
problem.
to cover this up. So,
So for people seeing you for the first time, where can they connect with you, and where can they find your work?
Instagram at Phil Hauser. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I hang out in some of the groups on Facebook, the Clink Room Buy Sell Trade.
Mm-hmm.
I pop in there once in a while. I
Shout
try
out to
to,
it's a very active group.
and yeah, that group. If you're collecting hats, that's a good group to get into, and that's pretty much the places you'll find me, or at work.
Yeah, exactly.
Get hired on with us.
All right. Well, everyone, give Phil a follow. You're a very super talented artist. I've been a fan of yours for a long time, and I'm happy we're finally being able to kind of collaborate and bring something like this to life, and I'm happy with the result.
Yes, I am too. Very happy. Let's do it again.
Yeah, let's do it again. For Leon and Phil, we're out of here.
All right, man. See you.
Peace out, everyone.